everybody, and welcome to my video today. Today is December 31st, and if you're seeing this in the next few days, just a quick reminder that the holiday catalog will be retiring on January 2nd. So you only have a few more days to pick up some of the product in there. So if there's anything that you want that's in the holiday catalog, make sure you take a look at it and pick it up before January 2nd. And then if you're watching on December 31st, I am offering free shipping until midnight tonight. So if you need to pick something up from the holiday catalog and you would like to get free shipping on that, place your order and I will refund your shipping. It's just a little Happy New Year gift from me to you. I appreciate all you guys. So today I want to share with you our Simply Layered kits for January. Now this is going live today. It's December 31st, but just so you know, you cannot order the product until January 3rd. So on January 3rd, the catalog goes live and then you will be able to order the product you'll need to put this layout together. I just wanted to keep on schedule. Chris and I wanted to make sure we kept on schedule and released our video as close to the first Monday of the month. That's usually when our Simply Layered kits go live. So this week is the first week of January, so the very first Monday of the month is kind of when we've been posting. So this is the layout that we are going to make. This comes from the All My Love suite of product. There's some beautiful designer paper, which you can see featured here. And then this month, we are suggesting that you order a new pack of cardstock because we will be using the lovely lipstick cardstock as our base. So let me explain the way these work in case you're brand new to my channel or you're brand new to Simply Layered Kits. Simply Layered Kits is a thing that I do with a fellow demonstrator. Chris Cowan and I team up to do these. I create a layout and a traditional scrapbooking layout. Chris creates a card, which I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. And she usually creates a bonus project. It's usually a 3D item. She really loves making those and she's really good at it. So the way that this works is there's a couple different ways that you can order. You can just purchase the PDF and the video. So you get a video of me putting the layout together, a video of Chris putting the card together, and of her putting the 3D item together, the bonus project together. And then you get a PDF with all of the measurements and supplies and everything listed. That is $20. You can purchase that through any of the links that you're going to find wherever you're watching this, on YouTube, on my Facebook, or on my website. Then if you want to just get the kit and you don't want any of the product, you can purchase just the kits, and that is $25. Now when you purchase just the kit, you don't get anything 12 by 12. So you don't get the 12 by 12 designer paper, and you don't get the cardstock, the base piece that we start to work with, because it's too expensive to ship out 12 by 12 product. So you will get all of the layers, not the designer paper, but all of the layers in the kit. Okay. And then if you want to get the kit for free, what you can do is place an order $50 or more and you'll get the kit for free. So we have some suggested product that we suggest you purchase, so you'll have everything to put the kit together. We usually do a 12 by 12 cardstock pack every few months, like every 3 months or so. This month we're suggesting that you get the 2018 through 2020 cardstock pack, and that will come with lovely lipstick and Grapefruit Grove, and we will be using that cardstock pack the next couple months. I think we'll use it the next 3 months. And then you will need the Forever Lovely designer paper, and then the bundle that we're suggesting you get is the Forever Lovely bundle here, and there's framelits that go with it. You bundle those two products together and you save 10%. I do stamping here on the layout. Chris does stamping in her card. And when you place a $50 or more order and you use the host code, I'll put the host code somewhere up in here, you'll see it. you will get the kit for free. We'll ship everything out to you for free, and you'll get those pieces, and the PDF and the video will all come to you. This is Chris's card. It's super cute. It's like a fancy fold kind of card. She uses crumb cake in her as her card base, and you get all of the pieces to make the card and all of the pieces to make the bonus project as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. When you place your order, you'll get an email from me letting me know that I know you've ordered, and then kits ship out at the end of the month. So we're in the pre-order stage for this. So beginning January 3rd, you can order your product directly from Stampin' Up, and our kits will be open for 2 weeks. And then at the end of the 2 weeks, we close pre-ordering, we wrap this month up, we start packaging the kits and sending them out like the 3rd week of the month. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember that the holiday catalog is ending on January 2nd. Those products are retiring. The occasions catalog goes live January 3rd. If you're one of my customers, catalogs are going out this week. And there will be a link and everything on the 3rd. That you can get to the occasions catalog. And then don't forget that for every $50 you're spending during the occasions catalog, when it goes live, Sale-A-Brations is actually going live as well. So there are free products for every $50 you're spending. You're getting a free product of your choice. So make sure you come back on the 3rd, and I'll have all that information for you. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, checking out my video today. I hope that you are enjoying the Simply Layered kits. We're very excited going forward into the new occasions catalog with new projects for you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful New Year's, and I will be back on Wednesday to share another video with you guys. Have a great day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.